Welcome to the PTFX Affiliate Program Training. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to get started as an affiliate, how commissions work, how you get paid, how to generate and convert leads, and how to begin marketing both of our main services. PTFX Gold Rush AutoTrader and SAM, which stands for Self-Funded Account Management. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of how the program works, how to promote it, and how to start earning commissions. The first step is to register as an affiliate. Inside the email you received, you will see Step 1 with the affiliate registration link. Click that link, follow the instructions, and create your affiliate account. When you first sign up, your status may show as pending. That is normal. Once your account is approved and activated, you will receive your referral link. Keep in mind that the referral link is mainly connected to the $149 monthly subscription, which we will explain shortly. The second step is to activate your residual income by becoming a member of the private trade room. Inside Step 2 of the email, you will see the link to join. Click the link, scroll down, and complete your membership. Make sure you use the promo code listed in the email if you want to save $148 on your first month and only pay $1 to get started. Now let's talk about how you get paid. This affiliate program is worldwide, which means you can get paid no matter where you are located. Payments can be made through PayPal, Zelle, crypto, bank wire, and other available payment methods. Now let's break down the compensation. For PTFX Gold Rush AutoTrader, when someone purchases the 1-year license for $1,000, you earn a 40% commission. That means you make $400 from that sale. When someone purchases the lifetime Gold Rush AutoTrader license for $2,500, you earn a $1,000 commission. So Gold Rush gives you the opportunity to earn high-ticket commissions from a single sale. For leaders with larger networks or teams, override opportunities may also be available, but those are handled on a one-on-one basis. Now let's talk about SAM, our self-funded account management service. With SAM, the customer pays a one-time $1,000 seeding fee to get connected to the master account. That seeding fee gives them their seat for life. After that, in order to keep the account active and continue receiving trades, they pay $149 per month. As an affiliate, when someone pays the $1,000 SAM seeding fee, you earn a 25% instant commission, which is $250 up front. Then, when that same customer continues paying the $149 monthly subscription, you earn $60 per month per customer. That is what makes SAM powerful. You can earn an instant commission up front and also build monthly residual income over time. Now let's talk about how to convert leads. There are two main ways to do this. The first way and the easiest way is to use the system that is already in place. Inside the email, you will see two lead form links, ptfxgoldrush.com and ptfxfunding.com. When someone fills out one of those forms, they will have the option to enter who referred them. As long as they put your name in the referral section, our team will know the lead came from you. Once our team sees the lead, we will reach out and let you know that someone filled out the form under your name. From there, you have options. You can reach out to the lead yourself. You can set up a 3-way chat or 3-way call with Mike Taylor or someone from the team. Or if you prefer, Mike Taylor or someone from the team can contact the lead directly, answer their questions, and help close the sale for you. The great part is this. Whether you close the sale yourself, close it with help from the team, or the team closes it for you, you still get paid as long as the lead put your name in the referral section. This is a major advantage because many people know how to copy and paste ads, share videos, and get people interested. But the harder part is turning that interest into an actual sale. So your job can be as simple as sharing the information, generating interest, and then alley-ooping the lead to the team so we can help close it. The customer gets helped, the sale gets closed, and you get paid. The second option is to build your own system. Inside the email, there are instructions on how to copy the Google form and create your own version. If you are familiar with Google Forms, this is simple. You can copy the form, customize it, connect it to your own spreadsheet, and collect your own leads. One of the benefits of using these forms is that they explain the services, show the pricing, and ask the person when they are looking to get started. That means when someone fills out the form, they are usually a higher quality lead. They already know what is being offered. They already know the pricing. And if the price did not scare them away, that usually means they are a more serious prospect. Now let's talk about marketing material. Inside the email, there is a company-style video that you can share. That video does not include personal information from any one affiliate, so you are free to use it in your marketing. You can also use content from my channel, remix it, repost it, add your own information, create your own Gold Rush videos, create your own SAM videos, and make the content your own. Inside the email, you will also see a playlist full of Gold Rush videos and testimonials. That gives you plenty of proof-based content to share with prospects. If you need help with marketing material, reach out. Now let's talk about the simplest way to market Gold Rush and SAM. The first step is to put the information out. That could be on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, email, text message, Craigslist, Facebook groups, or any other platform where you can reach people. The goal is to create interest and get people to respond. When someone responds and says they want more information, you should have a simple copy and paste message ready. That message should give them a basic rundown of how the service works. Then, at the end of the message, ask a simple question. Would you be willing to watch a short video that explains everything? That question is important because it gets them to take the next step. If they say yes, send them the video. If possible, I also recommend sending a voice message. A voice message makes the conversation feel more personal and helps build trust. But if you are not comfortable sending voice messages, you can still use a copy and paste message with the video included. After you send the video, let them know you will follow up in 24 to 48 hours. You can say something like, "Here is the video that explains everything. Take a look at it when you get a chance, and I'll follow up with you in a day or two. But if you're ready to talk before then, just reach out and we can go from there." Then make a note to follow up. This is where the law of averages comes in. Once you send the video to 10 people who are already interested and already know what the opportunity is about, at least one of those people will usually convert into a sale. Sometimes it may be more than one. Sometimes the sale may not happen immediately. It may happen 2 weeks later, a month later, or even later down the road. But the seed has been planted. That is why consistency matters. The more outreach you do, the more conversations you create. The more conversations you create, the more people watch the video. The more people watch the video, the higher your chances of closing sales. With this program, we are dealing with higher ticket products. So not everyone will sign up immediately. But when they do sign up, the commission can have a strong impact on your income. After someone watches the video, follow up within 24 to 48 hours. Your follow-up can be simple. You can say, "Hey, just following up as promised. I hope you got a chance to check out the video. If you need more time, no problem. Just let me know and I can follow up later. But if you did get a chance to watch it, let me know if you have any questions or if this is something you would like to move forward with." Then you can add, "I'm available to talk by text, telegram, or phone call, whatever works best for you." The goal of the follow-up is to move the conversation forward. Find out if they have questions, if they are ready to get started, or if they need to speak with someone from the team. If they are ready to talk, you can handle the conversation yourself or set up a 3-way call or 3-way chat with Mike Taylor or another leader. Now let's talk about different marketing strategies you can use. You can market through social media posts, Facebook groups, short-form videos, email marketing, text messages, Telegram, YouTube, Craigslist, local networking, direct messaging, paid ads, and content repurposing. Social media is one of the easiest places to start. You can post proof videos, testimonials, screenshots, educational content, curiosity posts, lifestyle content, or short clips explaining Gold Rush and SAM. Facebook groups can also work if you use them the right way. Do not spam groups. Instead, join groups related to side hustles, business opportunities, forex, investing, passive income, entrepreneurship, and work-from-home income. Comment, provide value, ask questions, and create curiosity. Short-form video is another powerful method. You can post Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook videos explaining what Gold Rush is, what SAM is, how the affiliate program works, or how someone can get more information. Your videos do not have to be perfect. They just need to be clear, simple, and consistent. Email marketing is another great option if you have an email list. You can send updates, proof videos, testimonials, promo announcements, and simple invitations for people to watch a video or fill out the form. Text message marketing works well if you have old leads, past contacts, or people who have shown interest before. Telegram is also useful for sending updates, voice messages, videos, and having one-on-one conversations with prospects. YouTube can be used for both long-form videos and short videos. Craigslist may not work the same way it did years ago, but it can still be tested with simple, compliant ads that create curiosity. Local networking can also work. You can talk to people you already know: friends, family, business owners, barbers, hairstylists, real estate agents, truck drivers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who may be open to learning about trading, automation, or earning extra income. Direct messaging can work too, but do it the right way. Do not spam strangers with long messages. Start real conversations, ask questions, and only send the information when someone shows interest. Paid ads can also be tested if you have experience with advertising. But with paid ads, you must be careful with your wording. Do not guarantee income. Do not make unrealistic claims. Do not promise specific results. Focus on education, curiosity, proof, and inviting people to request more information. Another marketing method you should use is content repurposing. That means taking one piece of content and turning it into multiple pieces of content. For example, one video can become a YouTube video, a Facebook reel, a TikTok, a Telegram post, an email, a text message, a flyer, and a social media caption. This allows you to get more mileage out of the same piece of content. Now, one of the best tools you can use to make your marketing easier is ChatGPT. This is one of the ways I personally make marketing faster and less stressful. Instead of manually writing every email, every post, every follow-up message, every ad, or every flyer idea from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to help create it for you. You can use ChatGPT to help write email blasts, Telegram posts, Facebook captions, YouTube descriptions, text message follow-ups, compliant ad copy, flyer wording, video scripts, and daily marketing plans. You can also use it to take one piece of content and turn it into several different marketing pieces. For example, you can take one video and ask ChatGPT to turn it into an email, a Telegram post, a Facebook reel caption, a short text message, and a flyer concept. This can save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent. If you do not know how to use ChatGPT for marketing yet, ask Mike Taylor for help. Additional training may be created on this later, but the main point is this: you do not have to do everything manually anymore. With the right tools, you can move faster, create more content, and stay more consistent. Now, with all of these marketing strategies, do not feel like you have to do everything. You do not have to post on every platform. You do not have to make videos every day. You do not have to send emails, texts, Telegram posts, Craigslist ads, Facebook group posts, and direct messages all at the same time. The key is to pick the strategies you are most comfortable with and turn them into a daily routine. Create a simple checklist. For example, your daily checklist might be: make one social media post, message 5 people, follow up with yesterday's leads, send the video to anyone who requests more information, post one short video or testimonial. Then track who you talk to and who needs a follow-up. Your checklist does not have to be complicated. Maybe you do not do the same thing every day. Maybe one day you focus on Facebook. Another day you focus on text messages. Another day you focus on Telegram. Another day you focus on short videos. The main thing is that you stay consistent. Consistency is what creates momentum. And momentum is what creates sales. If you need help creating a daily routine or marketing checklist, reach out to Mike Taylor. That is something he specializes in. He can help you decide which methods make the most sense for you and help you build a routine around your strengths. The goal is not to overwhelm you. The goal is to help you take simple, consistent action. Remember the process, share the information, get people interested, send them the video, follow up, answer questions, use the team to help you close, and get paid. We will have more training modules coming in the future that go deeper into specific marketing strategies. But for now, this gives you everything you need to get started. Review the email, register as an affiliate, activate your membership, use the lead forms, share the videos, follow up with your prospects. And if you need help closing someone, reach out so we can help you get the deal done. Welcome to the PTFX affiliate program. We are excited to help you win.